in California, you told me you loved him in Georgia. Your heart's in the ground, frozen.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm about to do a hair tutorial for you guys. And I've been posting a lot because I wanted my subscribers to go, and my subscribers went up at 16 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. So today's tutorial is how to do like French braids, like two like side braids like here. They're old now, so I'm gonna take them down. I'll do that video next, so watch that video when I post it. I will post it soon. So I don't know how long these braids stayed in, but I just know that my subscribers, and I'm so glad for you guys. So make sure you guys keep it up, please, for me, and subscribe. So let's get on to this tutorial. Alright, so this is like the first step that you really need to do. You need to grab 3 braids, like 3 regular braids. Put your hand like this, put it up, and then this, like that, and then you grab this finger and put it like that. Now that you have this, alright, so we're to braid, and then do you guys see that braid right there? I'm gonna grab it and put it in one of the piles, one of the 3 braid piles, and just braid it. And then next, you grab, grabbing another braid, put it in one of the piles, like that. And then I'm also grabbing another braid, like right there. You can grab 2 or 3 braids. So once you like do your braids, look, see, I'm grabbing a big pack to put in one of the piles, so my braid can be bigger. Now I'm gonna grab this piece, put it in one of the piles, and do you guys see the braid coming in? Now grab this braid, put it in one of the piles. Now it's like forming. So once you like, see, I'm grabbing another braid like that. Now I need this braid. So there's no braids left, and it forms like this. Just like that, and then you have a braid. And all you do is just keep grabbing and grabbing a braid once you break it. And if you guys don't know how to braid, make sure you guys go to my next tutorial. I'm gonna post that next week, I think, sure, or the weekend. So I have long braids. I'm gonna take these down also. So they're like really old. Well, not like that old. So see how it formed right there. Formed like it turned out good. It really did. I like it. So like when you do 2 braids, you have to follow the steps that you did to other braids. This looks so cute. Right. So now I have a couple of braids left right here. Oh yeah, just well, I think I'm gonna do that one. Yeah, I'm gonna redo that one. Alright, so now I got this left only, and I'm glad. So 1, 2, 3. Right, so you got 3. This, that, and we have